All right. How's everybody doing out there? Philip Staten here with the Double Advantage team and Breland Group Realtors. I am teamed up with Anita Perez, and we are very excited about our new listing over in the GLENMARY neighborhood. It's 10111 Sea Pines Court, 40291. And this place is amazing. It's brick exterior, premium lot, expanded patio. A beautiful modern interior with new windows, high dollar items there, about $4,500 in upscale blinds that you're going to see in the walkthrough video. And this location is so convenient to parks, restaurants. Gene Snyder is right down the road, and you're going to love this place. You need to get on the schedule. My phone number is 502-724-4484. And I love answering questions. You're never a bother, so give me a call. And so we're going to take a look at the main picture here just to give you some enticing details of the inside. Hopefully, you'll finish watching this walkthrough so you can really take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Gas fireplace, a beautiful vaulted great room, really nice primary bathroom. And so I would say, get on the schedule. Get on the schedule. 1,800 square feet of finished space with storage space upstairs. It's kind of like garage bonus space, perfect for storing lots of stuff. But if you wanted to expand, it's possible that you could finish up some of that area and make a little bit more. But I don't know what else you would need, and it works perfectly as storage. Everybody wants storage, and this works so well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the Double Advantage introduction, and then we'll get right into the walkthrough. Whether you're buying or selling, the Double Advantage team has you covered. Philip Staten and Anita Perez have been putting our clients' interest first for over 8 years, with combined experience spanning over 30 years. Our optimized approach to marketing and our 30-day satisfaction guarantee are designed to help you reach your goals fast, and more money at the closing table doesn't hurt either. Give the Double Advantage team a call today. All right, so we have that front entry upscaled with this beautiful inlay, coat closet right there, pantry there, and you walk right into this great room. It is expansive, vaulted, very airy and spacious. 2 palladium windows, and those are new windows throughout. You got the access to the expanded patio, beautiful view out back. Look at those blinds. Those are expensive, but you're going to love them. Ceiling fan, dining area, and a breakfast bar that is open to the kitchen area. And this layout is one of my favorites. When you step into the kitchen, you see there's a backsplash countertops, cabinetry that is modern and gorgeous. Stainless steel appliances, corner window over here. I love corner windows, and this one is one of the best. Ceiling fan in here, crown molding throughout this house. Even the laundry room has crown molding. Look at this. Very nice colors in here. I love this place. Right here, you have that pantry, and it is expansive. Look at this. Room for everything. Your cream of wheat and your Bush's beans. Right here, you have a coat closet, conveniently located by the front door. And right here, you have a bedroom that makes the perfect office, and that's what they're using it for. Ceiling fan, gorgeous view, crown molding, and a quad closet to boot. Lots of room for hanging your clothes and putting shoes. And directly across from a full bathroom. Tile, sliding doors, that's always nice. Modern updates in here, and a really nice towel closet that has this nice little door, but lots of room in there. And so right off of that, you have the laundry room. It's tile with cabinetry. You have a closet that has a large sink in here and more additional storage. The garage is right out there. It's large, 2-car garage, even crown molding in the laundry room. So let's step over here to the primary bedroom. And again, crown molding, ceiling fan. It is carpeted in here, but you've got 2 windows that have private views looking out back. Very nice. You can see they have some chairs there where they take advantage of the quiet, private area out there, just a place to relax. And this is a good space in here. You can see the carpet and the paint in here really pop well together. big enough to hold all that furniture. We've got a walk-in closet with a light and a little ceiling fan in there. And then the primary bathroom with a vanity, very modern in here, crown molding, and a custom shower that was installed at some point. I wouldn't say it's brand new, but it is very modern and very attractive. So the primary bedroom setup, look at that little closet. I love those. Very nice, tucked down here by itself. Now let's run upstairs and take a look at that bedroom space up here that could be multi-purpose. Really, use your imagination. There's a ceiling fan, crown molding, vinyl plank flooring, perfect for guests or family members, but it could also make a playroom or a gym, and a really nice view out of here because you're up above. Crown molding, and yeah, just use your imagination in here, but you do have a full bathroom that is large, tile, crown molding, sliding glass doors there, and lots of room to move around in here. And it has its own closet, and it's a larger closet, so that's good. You've got room for all kinds of things in there. And then you have what I call a dressing room with storage over there, and then you have double quad closets in here. So this could be a dressing room, but you could make it anything. I think it'd make a great dressing room. A really nice space up here, perfect for family, guests, or anything. Use your imagination. But I have to admit that this place has it all. It's brick. The location is great. Gas fireplace, newer windows. I mean, that's a big investment, and this place is priced aggressively. So you'll want to get in here to see it if you're looking for a patio home in the Fern Creek, between Fern Creek and Mount Washington area. You can't beat this one. It is priced right. It's expanded, 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. It's just as good as it gets. So call me, 502-724-4484. Also, subscribe to this channel. We've got new videos coming up, and I expect that we're going to start rolling them out. And you don't want to miss any of these properties. You'll get an inside look to exactly what you're looking for, and you can call. You're never a bother. Love answering questions. So call me. Well, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up, and we will see you in the next video. But in the meantime, you have a great day, and thank you for joining me. Bye.